In this video, you will learn about irregular meter. When you divide the beat into 2 and 3 in the same time signature, you have an irregular meter. In irregular meters, beats do not divide evenly into groups of 2 or 3. It is a combination of compound meter and a simple meter. The most common irregular meters feature a top number of a 5 or a 7. Examples include 5/8, 5/4, 7/8, and 7/4. For example, a 5/8 time signature is a sum of 2 meters, a 3/8 and a 2/8. The feel of the meter will be a compound meter and a simple meter. So this 5/8 time signature could be played as a 3+2 or a 2+3. So this 5/8 time signature can be counted as 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2, or counted as 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3. The third movement of Frederic Chopin's Piano Sonata, in Number 1, composed in 1828, is an early example of using an irregular meter. This example is using a 5/4 time signature, 1 2 3 4 5. Other examples are Gustav Holst's Mars, the Bringer of War, and Neptune, the Mystic, from the Planets. Both are in 5/4. Mars, with the triplet, is counted as 1 Lalo 2, 3, 4, and 5, but it has a feeling of 1 2 3 1 2. Neptune is counted as 1 2 3 and 4 and 5 and, but it has a feeling of 1 2 3 1 2. A famous example of a theme in 5/4 is Mission Impossible by Lalo Schifrin. It is counted as 1 2 and 3 4 5 1 2 and 3 4 5, but it has a feeling of 1 2 3 1 2. A famous rock example of 7/4 is Money by Pink Floyd. It is counted as 1 2 la 3 4 5 6 7. I will put the links of the musical examples of irregular meters in the description. A meter with a 7 on top, like 7/8, could be played as a 3+2+2, like 1 2 3 1 2 1 2, 2+3+2, like 1 2 1 2 3 1 2, or 2+2+3, like 1 2 1 2 1 2 3. Other examples of top numbers of irregular time signatures are 8, 10, and 11. They also have a mix of 3 meter and a 2 meter. In one of my compositions, I use 10/8 as a 3+3+2+2, sounding as 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 1 2. In the same piece, I also have 11/8 as a 3+3+3+2, sounding as 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2. 9/8 could also be played as an irregular meter if it is played as a 2+3+2+2, like in Frank Ticheli's Vesuvius for concert band. It is counted as 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2, or Brubeck's Blue Rondo a la Turk, which is played as 2+2+2+3, which is counted as 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 3. Other crazy meters. Goldberg Variations by Johann Sebastian Bach, Variation 26, uses 18/16 in one hand and a 3/4 in the other. The Terminator main theme by Fiedel is in 13/16, counted as 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 1 2. If you liked the video, please hit like. If you would like to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel. You can also leave a comment or a question in the comment section below.